Hi, my name is Mike from Atlas Ceramics. Welcome to our common questions that we get asked. Today we're going to talk about Algex. Algex is an algae cleaner for your outside areas, such as your patio. It's spring right now, end of March, it's a nice warm day, and I think it's time to actually bring back to life this patio area. You can see from this area here that you can see the different colour here, where you can see it's slightly gone green and dark and dreary. You see over there where it's covered, and that area there you can see it's got a lovely colour in the stone. So we're going to bring this area back. Once you get the floor or the patio area clean and up together, the main thing to do is keep this topped up. So as soon as you see the area start to sort of go a little bit green in areas, get out, treat it straight away. Alright? Main things about this is to think about the weather. This works as an activator, so once you pour it on, it starts to get rid of the algae that's on your patio. It takes about 3 to 4 days for it to really work. So really you don't want any rain, because the rain will then just wash it away. After that point, great, wash it away and it will clean the area. It takes a little while for it to work, so no good doing it if it's going to rain tomorrow, because it won't do its job. It's also light enough for this to work. If it's not, and it's really heavy, you've got a lot of black spores, a lot of dirt that I showed you in a previous video, then the main thing to do here is to move on to the outdoor cleaner. Okay, and the labels really do sort of show it. Really dark, outdoor cleaner, really light with a green area, makes it slippery to walk on, not very nice. Okay, that's what you do. I love this Algex, used it for quite a few years. Brilliant, so easy to maintain. The thing is, you can get your power washers out. What happens with your power washers is that it leaves streaks. You damage the grout. If you've got stone that's sensitive, it can start to dislodge some and get water underneath and cause problems. This is so much easier than using that. The only thing you need is a brush, a broom, just to sweep it as you do regularly, and then a watering can, measuring, and then just water it on. That's the easiest thing to do. You can then have a nice cup of coffee and relax and enjoy the rest of the day. The thing with this, remember, is patience. It's not going to give you an instant effect, but it will do over a number of days and weeks, okay, which we will show you on this video. So I have 5 litres of water in here, which I've measured. It's 10 to 1. So that's why I'm going to do half a litre. If you use a sprayer, you can use it. Again, I find you need to put more concentrate in, because you put less on an area. So like 4 to 1, something like that, okay? When you use a sprayer, go over it once and then go over it again after about 10 minutes. Make sure you've really covered the area, okay? I'm going to get on with that now and just show you how to use it. So, open the bottle, of course, 5 litres, I'm going to put half a litre, to be 10 to 1, okay? There we go. Pour that in. I'll put that to the side. Okay, alright. And now all I'm going to do is going to need to walk fairly fast just to cover the area that I'm going to do here. Just going to go down to that area and back. Alright. And that's it really. Later on I'm going to do the whole area, where I'm going to clear all the furniture, but for this purpose I'm just demonstrating how to apply it. Okay, so make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. There you go, one area done, as easy as that. So what I'll do is I'll come back to you, show you how it gets on and how it looks. I'm just going to leave this area. I'm actually not going to do the rest of the area, so you can actually see what happens to this area, just to give you an example. All right, hopefully the customer doesn't mind us having one big patch. It's going to be lovely and clean. All right, till later on in the video, see how it goes on. See you then. Take care. Hi, welcome back. It's been a little bit longer to come back to this test area that I left you with last time due to the COVID situation, but eventually I've got back to it. Just like to say, as you could probably see, you can see how clean and the area is with such little effort. It's even got into the edges here, killed back some of the moss, etc. So nice job overall. Client's really pleased with how it's gone. Looks like it's brand new. Great job, really. So that's the Algex. We watched how to use it earlier. The main thing is, like I mentioned before, is I use a watering can as I find it easier. Make sure the concentrate's right. If it's not too dirty or whatever with regards to it, then use 1 to 20. If it is quite stubborn dirt that's on top of it, the green algae, etc., then use 1 to 10. But otherwise, if you need any further information, then please don't hesitate to contact ourselves at Atlas Ceramics, either via email or by giving us a call. All details can be found on our site. Till the next time, thank you very much indeed for watching this video, and see you again. Bye bye.